recent news has come in regarding the mysterious jelly-like substance discovered on the far side of the moon. The close-up images of this object, never before revealed since its discovery, have finally been disclosed. In January, China's lunar rover, Yutu-2, landed on the far side of the moon, marking humanity's first-ever success in landing on that side. Since then, it had been actively exploring the lunar far side. During its exploration, the rover stumbled upon a volcanic crater and discovered a peculiar, shiny, jelly-like substance inside. Upon confirming the mystery substance, the Rover Operations Center swiftly adjusted schedules, directing the exploration robot toward it. The readjustments made to the schedule by the rover operations team became an issue afterward, but it did lead to a successful closer inspection and imaging of the mysterious substance. However, Chinese authorities chose not to release images of the substance, only revealing overall photos of the crater taken from a distance. Due to China's authorities choosing not to release any images, it sparked suspicions that they might have discovered something that should never be disclosed. Indeed, numerous UFO researchers and conspiracy theorists pointed to the possibility that the mysterious jelly-like substance could be extraterrestrial life. It's not clear whether it was in response to these many suspicions, but Chinese authorities recently released close-up photos of the substance within the crater, at last. Looking closely at the recently released images of the crater, inside the crater, covered with numerous rocks, you can observe something transparent and square-shaped buried among the pebbles. This is precisely the problematic jelly-like substance captured by the Yutu-2 rover. Although they've disclosed the discovery, Chinese authorities still seem to have no idea exactly what this substance is. While the suspicion of intentional concealment has been alleviated, the mystery surrounding this substance continues to deepen. Initially, scientists proposed the possibility of the substance being the result of a meteor impact. Despite ongoing heated debates among scientists, they haven't been able to reach a conclusive answer regarding the true nature of this substance. Now is the time for conspiracy theorists to make their appearance. This aspect provides a great storyline for many conspiracy theorists, including UFO researchers. Notably, UFO researcher Scott Waring speculates that this substance could be alien metal. According to the photos, the object appears to be not a jelly-like substance but a metal panel partially buried just beneath the surface. This is something that should never be exposed externally, but for some reason, this object has become exposed on the surface. This is concrete proof of China's rover discovering an extraterrestrial civilization. The substance's shine is due to its metallic nature. And this metal panel happened to be exposed in this location by chance, but such events could occur anywhere. Because the moon itself is an extraterrestrial space base, to conceal a base from primitive civilizations like ours, it would be necessary to cover its surface with soil and rocks. This is the opinion of UFO researchers, but there's certainly a tendency to overinterpret the situation. However, the object discovered on the far side of the moon that we cannot see, along with the suspicion of photo concealment by Chinese authorities and the peculiar substance in the released photos, raises enough questions for anyone, not just conspiracy theorists. Conversely, some argue that since this discovery is from China, the photos are likely manipulated. Anyway, the Yutu-2 lunar rover will continue its mission as planned, and for now, it might be best to leave the analysis of this substance to the scientists. The real exploration is just beginning now. Let's hope for more intriguing discoveries on the far side of the moon.